Good evening, everyone, and welcome. The price of oil has always had an outsized impact on the economy, on the stock market, and on consumers. Remember how careful you were about driving when gasoline was up above $4 a gallon not so far ago? Or where you set your thermostat after getting your home heating bill. But right now, with lackluster global demand and oil production, especially here in the U.S. at a peak, gas prices are near a 4-year low. The price of crude has fallen roughly 25% since hitting a high back in June. And that's added to the volatility in the markets and worries now about how low oil can go. Today, another sharp pullback in oil prices. For a time, they even dipped below the $80 a barrel level before they recovered. At the close, oil was basically flat, down a penny, and at exactly $81 a barrel. Jackie DeAngelis has more now on falling oil prices and what they could mean for the economy and you.
Oil prices continuing their decline, and that has retail gas prices sinking like a stone. The national average for a gallon of regular gas now $3.08, a 4-year low. Prices at the pump falling 18 cents in just the last 2 weeks, according to the Lundberg survey. This is good news for consumers who are saving roughly $50 a month on gas. Not only will they feel this power of low gas prices, but they may choose to spend that money elsewhere. But could there be bad news, too? The U.S. oil boom is adding thousands of jobs to the U.S. economy. If oil prices continue to fall, analysts expect that could force the producers to scale back on drilling, which could mean less job growth in the industry.
The main reason you have a problem here is that at a certain level, it doesn't pay to explore, it doesn't pay to produce more. At that level, that's why we had all this talk about all this exploration and new technologies when we were at the higher prices. At this level now, all your producers are going to have to think twice about taking on people and going further in their explorations.
And the oil majors spend money on other things. They make capital expenditures for equipment and exploration. Reduced purchasing could put a big dent in the economy. So when will oil producers start to feel the pinch? It really is difficult to say. Estimates suggest the cost to produce in this country is anywhere from $70 to $77 a barrel. So there's still some wiggle room. But with Goldman Sachs reducing its 2015 forecast to $75 a barrel, well, that's dangerous territory. The question now, of course, how low can we go?
It looks like it's going to take a while, maybe take a few months. But once we broke through certain levels on a monthly chart, it looks like you could see levels as low as $50 some months from now.
If oil prices continue to collapse, AAA says gas prices will move lower in tandem. We could see the national average fall under $3 in the coming months. But it does seem that that could come at a price. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Jackie DeAngelis.